Day 50. Okay, drywall is complete. Alfonso is on his stilts and he's doing his magic with the mudding. We appreciate his hard work. Day 51. Aha! We figured out what was wrong with the loft. We're not crazy. The architect has the depth of the bedroom 10 feet 2 inches, 2.5 inches. And then we revised it, adding an extra foot, and visually it does have an extra foot, but someone over there doesn't know how to do math because they didn't add the extra foot in the dimensions. So it still says 10 feet 2.5 inches, even though it looks like we have an extra foot in there. So then what we had to do is we had to pivot. So we are trying to find a new way to get our desk in there. So what Robbie and I decided to do was to do a little research, and we went to Home Depot and we found this really great husky, heavy duty, solid, beautiful work table, piece of wood for workbench. So it was about $148, $49. So we went and got that, and we're just going to jerry rig the the desk. We're going to actually bring the dresser down to the living room and put the worktop on top of that, and then build a little bookshelf on the end. And so this will be a nice 72-inch long area with a sturdy desk that won't bend or dip from weight. So it's really nice and strong, and a great workstation for whoever's going to be staying in the midterm rental. Oh, and then we got the cabinets. Okay, cabinets were installed. Appliances were delivered. We'll see that later.